in section B here, and we're going to eventually get to the law of sines, but first in section B, we're going to state the number of possible triangles that can be formed using the given measurements. And this is really based on given a side-side angle relationship. And there is a blue flow chart that I gave you in the reference packet that you're going to really use here. Now, on that blue flow chart, that is if you know are given side A and then angle A. Now, you're going to be given, if you have a side-side angle situation, and we'll do number 13 here in a second, you're going to be given like angle C and side C. But the blue flow chart is if you know little side A and angle A. Okay, and then it says you got to compare A to B and stuff like that. Well, A is going to be the little side with the known angle opposite that side. So you kind of have to use the letters that we're dealing with or the variables we're dealing with in the angles and sides here and kind of think a little bit. Okay, so if we are given the measure, I'm gonna first draw a little triangle. If we're given angle C and side C, angle C is 16, side B is 26, and side C is 7. Okay, now you can have these situations. You can have either 0, 1, or 2 triangles, triangles formed if you are given side-side angle situation. Okay, 0 meaning you can't form the triangle with those given sides and the particular angle. 1 triangle, which only 1 triangle can be formed, and then the tougher ones of 2 triangles. And that basically means you could have a side that swung back to form either an obtuse or an acute triangle, and those are the tougher problems. So what we want to look at is we're given angle C is 16, side C is 7. Okay, so you want to look at the given angle and you want to answer on that flow chart at the top. Is it an obtuse or is it acute? This is obviously an acute angle. Okay, so we're going to look down the acute side. Now on the blue flow chart it says compare A to B. Now that is if you are given angle A and side A. We know are given angle C and side C. So we really want to compare C to B then. Excuse me. So I want to compare little side C to little side B. So I've got 7 compared to 26. Well, 7 is smaller than 26. So I really have that, C is less than B. If you follow that chart down, that said, well, if A was less than B, but we really have, in this case, we're dealing with C less than B, then it said compare A to B sine of A. A to B sine of A. Well, we're going to really compare C to B sine of C for the problem we're dealing with and what we're given. So I need to do C, which was 7, right here, and I need to compare it to 26 times the sine of given angle C, which is 16. So I need to take and I need to multiply 26 times the sine of 16. And 26 times the sine of 16 is 7.2. So we find out that C is actually less than B sine of C, and that is a no solution on the flow chart. 0 triangles are formed.